Welcome to the Easy Computer Fix-It channel, and this is a quick video about a new version of the Firefox web browser. If you want to see what is new and what's interesting, go to my Windows 10 and Computer channel. Full review is there. Here we're talking about it in security style. Why? Because there's a lot of security fixes in this new version. So version 74, released today, March 10th, 2020. It has quite a high number of security fixes that are high impact. High impact means that either bad guys already know about it, or if not, it's easy to exploit and have bad guys or hackers do whatever they want. So there's quite a few of these high impact security fixes in here, so that's very important to make sure that you update to 74 for that reason. Browsers, like the rest of operating systems and pretty much all software, have updates that contain some security fixes, and it's important to actually check that and do so, because there's a lot of those fixes around that will make you safer. Especially if you're taking chances on the internet. It's very important to have all of that updated for maximum safety. Lots of moderate fixes also. That means moderate simply means that they aren't necessarily easy to exploit, but there are some bugs that could technically be used for security reasons. That is a little complex issue. So make sure that you update. How do you know? Once again, simply go to the upper right in the hamburger menu. Go down to the help. Go to about Firefox. And if you're not updated yet, it's going to force the update to version 74, released today, March 10th, 2020. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.